Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this watch press for cover closer. So here's the press, and here are the dies, so different sizes to accommodate different sizes of watches. Then comes with the cloth to prevent the watch from being scratched. Then it has a like instruction manual as well. Okay, to show you a little bit. So normally you select the size for the watch that you'll be using, you'll be closing, then just remove this one, then put the big one at the bottom, then the small one on the top. So this one will be pressing the cover, and the watch is facing down. The watch is facing down, the cover on top. Then this one is going here. Yeah, then you can just press it. It will be locked. Okay, later on I'll show you on the actual watch.